Let's say you want to go deeper behind who's built the product. You can visit their publisher profile. We have significantly improved these pages. They're now more visually structured and give publishers the opportunity to showcase not just their apps, but their services offerings as well. About the publisher, products created by the publisher, services, and support information. It's worth noting that this richer, more structured detail isn't just for human users. It is a foundation for how AI agents will discover and evaluate the right solution for a given job.